Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video we're going to test together a new foundation by BH Cosmetics. This is a liquid foundation, naturally flawless. You can find this in 24 shades and I got mine in the shade 209 Ivory Beige. I will also use this one here, the Total Coverage Concealer Studio Pro, and this is in the shade 104. This one you can find it in around 21 shades. As always, I'm going to do a wear test and we're going to see if these products are long lasting on my dry and sensitive skin. The cost of the foundation is €9.95 and we get 30 milliliters of product. The concealer is €6.95 and we get 13 grams of product. Both of these are cruelty free and also vegan. About this one, they claim that it gives a satin finish to the skin and it is suitable for any skin type. It has medium to high coverage, so we're going to see if we can have high coverage with this one. The concealer is in a squeezable tube, I think. Oh no, we have this type of applicator. It is plastic and it is easier to clean. It says that it can cover imperfections, discolorations, brighten your skin. So we're going to see if it works for me. Let me know if you have a favorite product by BH Cosmetics. I haven't tried a lot of their products, so let me know if you have something favorite that I can try. Share this video with a friend that is looking for a new foundation. I always prime my skin before I apply my foundation, and I'm going to use the Prime and Fine Pore Refining Anti-Shine Base by Catrice Cosmetics. On half of my face I will use this sponge by Catrice Cosmetics. This is from the limited edition Blurred Lines and I like this sponge so much. I hope that they will keep it in the regular collection that they have. On the other side I will use this brush. This is the Makeup Buffer brush by Essence, and some of you told me to use oil to wash this brush, and tada! So clean now. Yes, I think this is my color. It has a thick consistency. It reminds me of moisturizer. It also contains hyaluronic acid and it keeps your skin hydrated. As you can see, it has a very nice coverage. It covers my redness that I have in this area, also some of my veins, and it is very comfortable on the skin. I'm going to apply it also with a brush to see if you can use a brush. With the brush we have more coverage because the bristles, they are not absorbing product like the sponge. It was very easy to apply it with a brush and I have a nice finish. If you want to save some time every day when you apply your foundation, you can apply it first with a brush all over your skin, and after that just blend it with a sponge and you're done. I'm going to apply a small amount of product to see if it is buildable. As we can see, this is the color when you first apply it, and this is how it looks on me now, and it is a shade darker. It oxidizes. I don't look like an Oompa Loompa, but it is definitely darker. It is very lightweight on my skin. It has a very nice coverage. It has a satin finish, as I can see, and it is a little bit sticky, so I'm going to set it with a powder. But before we use powder, I'm going to try the concealer. I will use it directly on my eyes to see if that works. Okay, that's a little big. Maybe you can apply it on the back of your hand and then take it with a brush. I will take this Kiko brush. This is number 51, and I will take the product from the back of my hand. Yes, I think it is easier if you apply it this way. Also, you don't press something so hard on your under eye area, and you don't need a lot of product. As I can see now, it has a very nice coverage. It can completely cover my purple area here. That's a very nice coverage. I will use some of the product also on my eyelid to cover my veins, and also I will use it as a primer. It covered a lot of my discoloration on my eyes. I think that it is setting quicker than some of my creamy concealers. I will use also some to highlight my face. Oops, I applied too much concealer. As you can see, I didn't use most of the product. You don't need a lot of product with this concealer. I will set everything with Fixing Powder by Art Deco Cosmetics. Hi guys, it's been more than 9 hours and let's see what happened with the foundation. The foundation is very shiny all over my skin. It looks a little bit greasy on my T-zone and also near my nose. It creased just a little bit on my forehead and between my brows, but it's something that you can fix it with a little bit of powder. It didn't cling on oily areas. I have some small pimples here and I can see that it didn't cling around those pimples and it looks very smooth on top of them, so that's nice if you have some texture on your skin. During the day it was very comfortable on my skin. About the concealer, the first 30 minutes that I have set my concealer with powder, it was very itchy on my crease for some reason, and after about 30 minutes my skin calmed down. I don't think that I am allergic to it, but I will use it again, and if it is itchy I will just stop using this. So I am sticky all over my skin except this area here. It looks a little bit greasy. I don't think that this is a very suitable foundation for someone with oily skin. It always depends what primers you use with your foundations. Maybe you can make this work for you. I have dry skin and it looks very shiny. I will try to use it with a more mattifying primer because I don't like this effect on my skin. I don't like everything so shiny and my texture so exaggerated. I don't like it. That's my personal preference. You can touch up and with a tissue or blotting papers. I didn't use a lot of powder to set the foundation and I like that. If you have dry skin, this is very comfortable on the skin and it gives a very shiny, glowy finish. It is a little bit greasy for me, but if you like this finish, maybe you will like this foundation. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and also let me know in the comments if you have tried any other face products by BH Cosmetics and if you like them. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I will see you in my next video. Bye!